Hi everyone, I am Krishna Chandra Nayak. This is my Coding Ninja Frontend skill test project alarm clock. Here the current time shows in 12-hour format like a digital watch. Here we can set alarm. Let's set first box per hour, second box per minute, and third one per second, and last one for AM and PM. There is two button. One is for setting alarm and another one is for clear alarm. Let's set when the current time and the alarm time is equal, then the alarm sound will be beep, beep. Let's stop. Let's go for code part. This is my HTML code, and there is two div. One is main container, it contain current time, and another is alarm container. There is two button, and this is my style sheet. It's my page responsive, the alarm clock, and this is my script file. It functions the alarm clock. Here the all functions are available. This is all about my alarm project. Thank you.